Namaste, I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, your EV bro. Today we have a rough and tough electric scooter with us. Most of the people asking for a rough and tough electric scooter for delivery purposes and agricultural purposes and last mile connectivity. Maybe this is the electric scooter you are looking for in terms of short and stronger electric scooter. This is Evtric Group Evtric Connect electric scooter. The speciality of this electric scooter, the company is offering 250 kgs of load capacity, which means it may looks like small but it is robust. How is this electric scooter? Whether you can buy it or not, let's have a complete review in this video. Before we start the video, we already done complete test ride review. If you are interested to watch a test ride review with load carrying capacity and all, you can watch that video. We will provide the link in the description. Now let us start with the design of this electric scooter. It is very small and cute electric scooter, but looks so hard in terms of design because the body parts, you see the build quality is up to 70 to 75% of the scooter is made with metal, whereas the 20 to 25% of the body part is made with fiber plastic. So overall it is more of a stronger touch and finish in terms of quality. Now coming to the size and shape, it is smaller in size, maybe for farmers who doesn't need to ride a bike, just for easy to handle this bike, they have made it very compact in size. Now coming to the front portion, this electric scooter gets a 10-inch tubeless tires, whereas the wheels are alloy wheels, and this tires having a disc braking action, whereas the tire get the protection from this fiber plastic material. This is actually good quality plastic, you can observe this. And whereas the suspension, they are using a telescopic suspension for comfortable ride experience. During my test ride review, I have found that the telescopic suspension action is pretty good, just like a petrol scooter, and the weight can be easily manageable on this telescopic suspension at the front side. Whereas the main thing, at the night time, they are using this scooter comes with high beam LED headlights, and the visibility is pretty good at the night times. Now if you going above the scooter, you can see a carrier, mostly for weight also. It is a strong carrier also. You can keep some of the weight at the front portion of the scooter. And if you slowly go up, you can see the turn indicators. The turn indicators are halogen lights. Now let's check the comfort level of the seat on this Connect electric scooter. Immediately once you sit on the scooter, you can feel the cushion of the seat. So cushion wise it is okay. But during my test ride experience, I have seen that maybe the company can provide a seat suspension as well for better ride comfort and better seat comfort during the irregular roads. And coming to the footboard space, huge footboard space availability is there. The agriculture person, farmers can keep heavy loads here, like the milk cans or water cans or even this banana kind of branches, everything they can keep here. So for heavy load purpose, they can utilize all this space. And for riding purpose, they have provided this foot pegs. They need to use this foot pegs for during the ride comfort. This is the foot pegs, and this also comes with the side stand. Once the side stand is on, this electric scooter will not move. This is a safety feature. And if you go below this, you can see the charging port here. So this charging port, you need to charge this scooter at the home, and the charging time is 3.5 hours to 4 hours. And even though this is a loader electric scooter, you have some good amount of ground clearance also, like compared just similar to a bike kind of ground clearance. Up to 195 millimeters of ground clearance they are offering as per the website source. And now coming to the main powerhouse of this electric scooter, the battery pack. This electric scooter gets the battery pack fixed under this footboard space, and the battery pack they are using a fixed battery pack because the company Evtric Group is offering fast charging capacity. Like in 30 to 40 minutes, you can charge this electric scooter up to 80%. Now with the battery pack, the lithium ion battery chemistry is NMC chemistry they are using, and the battery, to be specific, 52 volt 35H, 52 volt 40H and 52 volt 50H. Three battery pack variants they are offering with a range of 80 kilometers, 100 kilometers and 120 kilometers of range they are offering with this Connect electric scooter. And the support wise, you will get a center stand as well. You can use a center stand also, and you don't get a footstrate because this is not meant for a pillion riders. Complete loader electric scooter, that is one of the reason they have avoided that footrest for ladies. Now rear side, you have a dual shock spring suspension and also mudguard for the tire protection, and the tires again 10-inch tubeless tires, whereas the braking action at the rear side also they are offering disc braking system. Now the motor, because this is the company is offering up to 250 kgs of load. Based on that load, they have using 1.2 kilowatt BLDC hub motor, that is the peak power. maybe they have the rated power is also up to 1 kilowatt of power. Based on the pickup levels I have observed during my test ride, the top speed of this electric scooter is 55 km per hour. So this electric scooter comes in 4 different ride modes. On the first mode you will get that 55 kph top speed, and based on the load capacity it is touching the top speed even with the load also up to, like when I tested up to 100 to 100 kgs of load and I ride this scooter, I reached that pickup levels. That is pretty good. Now above this pillion seat you can see the attachment, again a carrier attachment. You can keep any luggage also, that is more of a loader vehicle, right? You can keep any kind of bags and all, you can tie that to the rear side. That wise they have given this kind of attachment also. This also comes along with this electric scooter. Coming to the switches, this is the high beam and low beam switch, left and right turn indicator, and you can see small boot space availability. Maybe you can keep a small water bottle, and this is USB socket for charging. This is the hook to carry bags and fiber plastic again this is plastic material, and key here to on the scooter, remote key also availability. The right side you have drive and reverse mode, and the reverse mode how is it, which we will provide the complete video in the description below, and the high beam and low beam switch, and this is the mode button. Once you press, the mode will change. This is a complete details about the buttons. So this is the dashboard for this scooter. Once you on, this is how it looks. This is a LED display. You can see the speedometer here and different mode options you can see on the left side, and the charging percentage indicator, and this is the odometer level. Actually once you start riding it will turn into the trip meter also. This is the complete details you can get in this dashboard. So after a complete ride review on this Evtric Connect electric scooter, here is my final verdict on this loader scooter. Firstly, I will discuss about the positives and later on the improvements. The positive wise, it's about the build quality. The build quality is completely made with metal, most of the parts, so it is robust in kind of design. You can carry load up to, the company is offering up to 250 kgs of load, but as a electric vehicle expert, I usually suggest not to go that much of load because it may affect the motor also. So you can carry up to 200 kgs of load. That is better for the motor health and the battery pack also. As per the longer lifetime of the vehicle, I suggest that. Whereas the lighting, especially farmers, people who go for nighttime rides, it is very useful. The lighting, the LED headlamp is like 200 to 300 meters of visibility. That's a huge light impact. That is also one more advantage. And the handling is pretty simple. You can easy to handle. Anyway, you can turn it very with ease. It won't obstruct your legs. That is one more advantage. And the load capacity, the footboard space availability at the front side, the boot space availability, and the rear side also, you got every 360 degrees view of load capacity is available. That is one thing. And also the front telescopic suspension is one more advantage. It is very action. That action can be feel, especially mainly in the irregular roads, the more comfort from the telescopic front suspension. These are the positive terms. And also the fast charging capability offering by Jayashree Group, 30 to 40 minutes, 80% of charging. That is all the main positives of the scooter. Whereas some improvements also I have observed. The main improvements is the company may provide a seat suspension, that is what I feel, and the rear suspension can be slightly improved. The gauge of the suspension can be increased. When compared with front suspension, it can be slightly improved also. That is one thing. And the second improvement for this scooter is the tire size. Usually farmers, when they are traveling at the irregular roads, there will be more potholes. The potholes may be big enough. So the tires, if they are at least they provide up to 12 inch of tires, it will be better. They can move freely on even a big potholes also. So that is one thing. One more thing what I have observed in this Connect electric scooter improvement wise. Overall, if you see the pricing of this electric scooter starts with 1,10,000 rupees and goes up to 1,25,000 rupees based on the battery pack variants, 80 kilometers of range, 100 kilometers of range, and 120 kilometers of range. So this is a registration model electric scooter. So the pickup levels may not be vary with big amount of load. It is almost mostly constant, but you keep much weight, like beyond 150 kgs, then you can see some changes in the acceleration level. That pickup levels slowly go down. So but the top speed is reaching up to that 55 kph, 50 kph will reach even with the load. So in the price segment, if you are interested to go for a loader vehicle, go for a test ride on this electric scooter. check with the load also. If available, ask with the dealer and check with the load also. Go for a test ride and watch the reviews. Only after that buy any electric vehicle. But personally, I feel the suspension is good and also the build qualities of this electric scooter is pretty much appealing. And finally, about Jayashree Group, you can purchase this kind of model electric scooter anywhere in the country, but only Jayashree Group is offering 30 to 40 minutes 80% fast charging support with this electric scooter, and that is one advantage, and the 3 years of warranty on the battery pack. That's the complete details about Evtric Connect electric scooter. If you are interested to pre-book this electric scooter, we will provide the contact number in the description. If you are an electric vehicle owner willing to share your ownership review with us, please WhatsApp your details to the number shown on the screen or else fill the form link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. For automobile videos, please subscribe to MVS Auto. Charge the nature, drive the future.